Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you on how to make this clear glittery slime. I made this yesterday and I'm just in love with it. I added glitter in it and I'm just in love with it. So I want to teach you how to make this slime, and let's get into the video. The ingredients you need is Almer's clear glue, a cup of water, a mixing bowl, a spoon, and borax. The first thing you want to do is you want to get your Elmer's washable clear glue. Mom, can you open this? Because I'm holding the camera. Thank you. Need some Elmer's glue. Make sure it's clear glue. And you want to pour it into the bowl. And you'll see what that other bowl is for. It's for something else. After you added in your glue, now that you added in your glue, you will need some water. And now this cup or bowl or whatever it's called is going to be filled with water right now. Be filled with water. Now you want to get this water and you want to pour it into the bowl with the clear glue. Now you want to get your mixing tool and you want to stir. And as you're stirring, you can kind of feel the glue getting thicker. Now, you want to fill this cup back with water, which is right now. Is magically filled with water. Now you want to get this water and you want to get your mixing tool. You want to get some borax and put it into the cup or the bowl, and you want to mix it. Make sure you get those chunks in there too, till the water turns white. And you want to pour the water in the borax mixture. And you want to pour some into the bowl. And now, you get your mixing tool and you stir. And then you can feel the glue getting thicker and thicker by the second. And I'm going to keep on mixing this until it's fully mixed in about a second. Okay guys, it's been about an hour once again, and I've been mixing this and it has turned into slime. Look at that. That's precious, right? Like really cool. You can see the slime right there. Now, what you want to do is you want to get your slime with an... Okay? Now get your slime with the little ant in it. I don't know why there's an ant in there, but hopefully that ant will decide to leave. So, after you're done mixing, you want to put down your camera because I'm making a dumb mistake right now. And I'll be here about a second. Okay guys, it's been about like 2 seconds and I finally mixed it, and here where your results should be some clear slime that's so freaking fun to play with, and it feels so good right now, and I'm so happy I made this. And now you get your slime that you just proudly made, and you're so proud of making, yes. And now you want to put it in the container with the rest, which is me, because you guys this is probably your first time making clear slime. So you want to put it in a container, and if you get a full bottle like me and you poured all of the bottle of glue in there, you'll get this much slime. Yeah. And we're not done. No. You want to get your slime that you just made, put it in a little container there. Wait, I'm sorry guys, I just have to do that. Okay. For me, I want to shove it in there. Wait, I have to, yeah, crap. So you want to get your slime, and then you want to get some glitter. I'll be back here in a second. Ooh, we'll get some glitter. Now, this is dangerous, okay? You get your glitter, and you put it in the little slime that you just made. And you mix it. And then that's how you make glitter, shiny, clear slime. Add that to my collection right there. And that's, ladies and gentlemen, is how you make clear slime with glitter. Really just making clear slime and just adding glitter. It's really not that hard if you don't have borax. So, that's all I have guys today. Hope all you lovely people enjoyed it. Stay cool, I know I will. And I'll see you guys later. Bye. I'm gonna go eat me some cake.